What do you love about the holidays?
I love all the lights and all the different decorations. I love to spend it with my family.
Celebrate everything you love about the holidays with all your friends, all in one place on PBS Kids. Celebrate the holidays with PBS Kids.
Wow!
And a special holiday adventure from Pinkalicious and Peterific. Get creative.
Hello!
Hi!
And join Pinkalicious and her family on a journey to make the best gingerbread house ever.
Ooh! Thank you! Pink amazing!
Celebrate the holidays with all your favorite friends. Streaming now free on PBS Kids.
Major funding for Nature KET is provided by the Van Akron family, founders of Lando Frost, supporting over 12,000 youth sports teams across the country, and by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Siegel Family Foundation. Additional support is provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, Koch Brothers Foundation, Sage Foundation, Philip F. Schock Charitable Trust. Major funding for A Nature Carol is provided by the Granger Foundation. Nature KET is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions from viewers like you. Thank you.
Through the woods. A snowy morning. Do you think it snowed in the woods, too?
I think so, Ryder.
What about at Grammy's? Do you think it snowed over there?
Bet it did, buddy.
I can't wait to see. Come on, Wolfie.
Hang on. Don't forget these.
And don't forget the...
Got it. Love you. Whoa! I don't think we're in our woods anymore, Wolfie. I think we're in a new place. Snowy place. And it's called Winterlandia. Hiya, squirrel. There are squirrels in Winterlandia, just like at home. Look, paw prints. Look, Wolfie, this Winterlandia bird made footprints too. They look different than the squirrels. And yours look different from the birds. And mine look different from yours. Huh. There's more. I wonder what animals made these footprints. One of them has a footprint that's bigger than yours, Wolfie. Do you think that means the animal is bigger than you? Could it be a lion or a tiger or maybe a snow leopard? Come on, let's find out. Whoa. It was them. They made the footprints. Whoa. Let's go tell Grammy what we saw in Winterlandia.
Hello, my Ryder.
Grammy, we just saw deer.
You did?
Yes, and they were in the snow, and there were 3 of them, and it was amazing. They looked at me.
That is something very, very special to see, Ryder. You and Wolfie must have been very quiet.
We were. I think it was a mama and her babies, or maybe a daddy and his babies.
Did the grown-up one have antlers on its head?
No antlers.
Then I think it was a mama and her babies.
Oh, Dad said I should give you this. What is it anyway?
It's cocoa for hot chocolate. Would you like some?
Yes, 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 yes!
Okay. Now tell me more about what you saw in the woods.
I'm Maggie, I'm the farmer.
And I'm Lindsay, I'm the foodie. Please join us for an adventure every week where we celebrate diverse food traditions,
Visit working farms.
and create delicious recipes with fresh, locally sourced ingredients.
The Farmer and the Foodie, new season beginning January 7th on KET.
On behalf of our staff and volunteers, we want to extend our best wishes for happy holidays to you and your family. And we thank you for watching and supporting KET, where learning comes to life.
So good to be back.
Call the Midwife returns.
With singing, dancing, magicians.
Yeah, we have much to be grateful for.
And this year,
May we all keep the meaning of the season within our hearts. Merry Christmas!
Christmas bells aren't the only thing ringing.
Who's getting married now?
What?
See what you did? God love you all.
Sunday, 9, 8 Central on KET. Wishing you and yours a season full of kindness and joy. KET, where learning comes to life.